Hey guys, welcome back to Lumen Detailing, the YouTube channel. Today we're just going to freshen up the RS6 and the new wheels that I got because we are going to Loe Show representing Lumen Detailing and my friend at ORT Motorsport. He just came out with a new wheel line and yeah, I just wanted to support the homie, so I got a set from him. They look pretty awesome. Check us out at the Loe Show this Sunday. Check out the wheels in person and the other designs that is available. So with that said, let's get started. So we're kind of in a rush here. We're trying to get out of here before it rains, get to Hershey Park and all that. So we're gonna use Hydro 2 Light to do a light coating topper, and then we'll be ready to go do the interior and should be ready to go for the show. So here we go. All right, the car is all done, all cleaned up. Wheels came out amazing, brand new looking again. We conditioned the seats, and I found out that there's some dye missing here, so I'm gonna need to try and take care of this. If you guys have any suggestions, put it down in the comments on how I can take care of this. It's like cracking, and I condition my seats every 6 months, so I'm not sure how that's happening. Anyway, car's looking good, ready for Loe Show. We'll see you guys there.